How to fix WhatsApp calls. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have in the WhatsApp call easily and fast in less than 50 seconds. All what you wanna do guys first is very simple. Open the settings on your phone and then go to the wireless and networks. Go to the Wi-Fi and then turn it off and on again. After that, go back, open the apps manager and then open the apps, and on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Click on the WhatsApp app like this. Now this is the app informations page as you can see. All what you wanna do here is very simple. Click on force stop and then go down into the storage, click on clear cache and go back again. Now, one last thing you want to make sure to do is go to the data usage and then make sure to enable all the options that you have here, from the mobile data, the Wi-Fi and the background data, and last thing, roaming data. Now, all what you want to do next is go to the Play Store, search for WhatsApp and click on update if you don't have the latest version, because sometimes the problem is just from the update. And after that you have to turn off your phone, turn it on again, and that's it. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.